Here, circle is right now, and it is going on. And now, Anuj Bhaiya, you have to speak 1 minute.
Audience, yes. Start.
So hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Singh and I'm going to talk about cricket. So you all know, so you in India you also love cricket so much because cricket is already a game which is popular by all Indians because we have many superstars like Virat Kohli, Dhoni, MS Dhoni, and because of many legends of the cricket we love to watch cricket. And also there is also a game called IPL in which we watch IPL, and there is so much league in IPLs because like 10, approx 11 team, and BCCI is the biggest and richest cricket contribution of the world because it has many players like many leagues. And also in recently in mega auction the player already brought in 27 crore. Yes, you are here. Spin the bottle and let's see who will be a next contender for the 1 minute talking. So it is spinning and they choose what. So you
नहीं बाबू रहने दो. Public clear में बोलना है. Public speaking is very important.
So I do know the public speaking is very really good. Why I am saying that? Because as you can see now I am public speaking, or you can say now I am trying to remove my public speaking. But many people are suffering. How we can stop it? How we can prevent it? So there are many problems of the public speaking, and many people want to remove it, but they are not trying or they are not doing. For example, do go in the different places and observe them, and also started to talk with a new person, because that if you will be connect with the different kind of person, or if you will be create a bond between you or other people, so the public fear will be go very easily. And as you can see that the now your personality is now in the future this will be fully changed because of the public speaking.
You go. Youth icon.
Youth icon,
Becoming a youth icon in India.
India, like star type. Okay, youth icon. Youth icon plays an important role because many people you might have seen and you.
Want to be a youth icon.
Okay, I want to be a youth icon because I want to motivate people and students and children, Indian youth like me, like people who are like me. I want to motivate them and become a youth icon for this youth. And because of that, I can motivate everyone, and I can give them a kind of motivation to be like me, to be like themselves. Make your own name in the India and become a best person, youth icon like me. And
so hello everyone. Today my topic is how effect of British in our school. So in our as you can see in our school there are a lot of things are there. But as I'm talking about the 1819 time, there's a act launched Vernacular Place Act. In the act, all the pathshalas are disappeared and vanished, and they are improved of pathshala like pandits are government, and each pandit is in charge of 4 to 5 schools, and the gurus take all regular classes according to timetable, and a very important timetable. Annual examination was introduced in that time, because they are tested through our knowledge, our knowledge, our studying level. They are tested through the annual.
Ajay English grammar.
So hello everyone, my name is Lav Sharma. So today I am telling about you why the grammar is important. The English grammar is very important because as you can see, when I am speaking, when I am not because when I am speaking in there is a lot using of the grammar. The grammar is a help in making your sentences. The grammar is a making of the help of a sentence. So I am telling about you. The first is the has. So has is using for the ownership. When we are using, so first example.
So today I'm going to talk about EV cars. So what are the benefits of it? We all know about it. Nowadays a lot of pollutions by people. Red light, sir. So I'm going to talk about the EV cars, how they are beneficial for us nowadays because of a lot of pollution which was produced by our cars, petrol, diesel and CNG cars. Like, so you know that I think that you might have.
Myself. Jaldi.
My name is Monik. I am a boy. I am a class reading second. I am
घुमा दो। आरव है, आरव को दो। आजा। ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग।
Online shopping. So, hello everyone, my name is Arav and I am going to tell you about the online shopping. Online shopping is means that which we have taken up that is the size of the bus. And online shopping, there are a lot of many online shoppings are there like all Zomato and Meesho, Shopee. They can buy us and online shopping give us the low price and
टेक्नोलॉजी।
So hello everyone, today I'm going to telling about technology. Technology is a good in our life because of through the technology we can live in our society, and without technology we can't live because of through the technology we doing the education and also many things we are going to job, and if technology is in no society in our society then we can't live because of through the
शेयर मार्केट।
okay. So hello everyone, stock market is very important and there was a we can income in the stock market and there was a very good some things and we can anything in the stock market for income of money like green candles. There was a have a RSI because we can sting what is buy and sell, and there was a very symbols in the there so many charts and we can make in the charts and others so many we can do income and money and we so as you can see that it is roaming around.
आगे बाहर जल्दी आओ। माइक ले। Why English is important?
English is important of many reasons because of
तुझे कश्मीर में बोलना है। कश्मीर is a beautiful place.
yes
कश्मीर is a very beautiful place.
yes Kashmir is a very beautiful place and
Good.
Kashmir is a very beautiful place and I live in Kashmir and in Kashmir there are many flowers and there falls snow and there have many cold in summer or winter. There is or any season but there are much cold and
लेकिन मोबाइल फोन
mobile phones is like there are many companies of mobile phones and they make their mobile phones very hard and futuristic. So people buy their phones and they thought that their phones are very hard but and they thought very right and if you want the companies of the phone give us the phone very security, and if you want to set
चले जाओ दोनों उधर चले जाओ।
Okay, so importance of playing games and other things. There is many importance of playing games and other because we can refresh our mind. Like if we are studying, so we can refresh our mind. While studying, you can see that we are studying lot and we also get headache because of the study. So we can play games for 5 minutes for removing our headache and also many things. And study is not crucial because there are many things we can do except study. And during
अब है वाले मैं मेरा स्टूडेंट चले जा कंसिस्टेंसी।
So hello everyone, today I am going to talk to you about the consistency because it's a key to achieve any kind of success which you want in your future. Because whenever we do anything in our life, so we want best results. We don't know and we know there are many people who success and they achieved many things, but we don't know the struggle behind them, and that is the thing which called consistency. Because of their per day work, everyday work, because of their consistency, now they become a brilliant person and if you also consistent, and in the future you will must become also a great person.
Social media.
Social media is very good. They will any kind of media. They can like a paper media and social media. They can with lack of knowledge provide.
लो
So mobile phone. So my topic is mobile phone. So mobile phone is much important for the students because of students are doing study in the mobile phone. So in mobile phones are so much apps are there and some apps are good and some apps are bad. So how I am saying that? I am saying that because of in the case of the